market until a seller receives an offer has risen to 28 days on average. This is a trend that I am seeing throughout the rest of the Maryland area as homes are staying on the market just a little longer and buyer showings have slowed. Whether this is due to the summer vacations or COVID restrictions being lifted and everyone getting out and wild and crazy, I'll be keeping a close eye on this trend and reporting in future updates. It's Friday, July 9th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level throughout the greater Annapolis area. There are only 14 homes priced for sale under $300,000, but there are 20 homes for sale over $1 million. The most expensive home for sale is still this exquisite Winchester Road waterfront estate for $24,900,000, coming up for auction next month, August. So, what are the inventory numbers doing since my last report? Inventory is actually still down to only 160 homes for sale throughout all zip codes of Annapolis. 27 homes were listed for sale, 25 homes are coming soon, 27 went under contract since last week, and 29 are temporarily still off the market for one reason or another. 14 moved to pending, 28 sold over this past week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was on the Broadneck Peninsula for $2,350,000. Renting in the area continues to be a challenge for a lot of tenants. There are only 14 active rentals priced between $1,950 a month to $6,000 per month. And stats show that rentals are going under application in 5 median days. This is 1 day more than last reports. If you want to know your options for buying or selling, be sure to get our free summer edition of our home buyer or home seller guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 9th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Be sure to catch our market updates through your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa devices. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll be here next Friday. Have a beautiful weekend. Take care.